So why E360? I would say that we've got 30 plus years in the industry, having experience in data center technologies. We couple that with our cloud experience and our ability to help our customers in their journey to the cloud. We also have experience across multiple clouds in the environment that we can understand and know every perspective that our customers might be coming from and help guide them to the best and most productive decision possible. Now, many people will say, well, obviously you can't be all things to all people, and we aren't. We don't want to be. We want to be specifically grounded in what we're good at. And we're good at hybrid architectures, helping you decide where your workload lives, making that migration happen seamlessly, and being able to come and make consultative engagements flourish in your environment. We are now embarking on AI and working on new technologies, but we don't get over our skis. We want to make sure that we're representing the technologies in the best possible light and only going where we know we can cover best.